Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2021 Mastercraft XT23. This boat has the white hull, then it has the black accent stripes, and then we went with the blue metal flake on this and the black Mastercraft logo on the side. Really sharp looking boat. This blue metal flake really pops. Coming around the boat here, both sides, see a nice view, and then we have the matching blue trailer for this boat. I'm going to take you on up into the boat. This boat, like I said, is a 23-foot boat. It's the XT model, so this boat is, it has the ability to wakeboard, wake surf, and water ski all very, very, very well. And it's a great cruising boat. We have the fiberglass swim deck here in the back. We have the nice sea deck walkthrough, and then there is a pad that goes right in this part right here, so you have a full swim pad, or sun pad on the back. This boat is equipped with the advanced audio, so that gives you the tower speakers, the 7-inch screen, subwoofer, and 4 cockpit Klipsch speakers. On this Z4 Tower this boat's equipped with, it has the easy quick fold release and the swivel wakeboard racks. Stepping on down to the boat, it's got the DECKadence flooring, a very nice comfortable flooring that's easy to remove out to clean if you need to. Over here, like I said, this boat has the 7-inch screen. It has the wireless phone charger. Your gauge is right here. We have the billet door, so you have the ability to close this off, flip the windshield shut, and close all that off. Up here, we got the nice bow. Storage under all these seats, anchor storage on the front, plenty of cup holders, USB, and then you have your Klipsch speakers up here. Coming back through, along this long bench seat, there's storage under here. This seat flips up, full storage up underneath here. Over here you have storage and a hidden garbage can and a hidden cooler under there. This boat has the 6.0 liter, 363 horsepower motor, so just plenty of engine for you and all your friends to go out and wake surf, wakeboard. And like I said, this boat does also have a very good ski wake, so it's a really, really great 23-foot boat for you and your family and friends. Come and check this Mastercraft XT23 out at our MarineMax store here in Greenville, or you can check it out online, and that's at MarineMaxGreenville.com.